Greetings everyone, I am Barrister Garn. The key issue is the distinction between intent to cause harm and intent to kill, which in law depends on the state of mind of the offender. However, this intent must be inferred from external circumstances surrounding the incident. Courts will consider factors such as the type of weapon used, the location of the attack, the level of violence, the opportunity to choose or aim at the target, and the underlying motive. All of these elements help the court determine whether the act was merely intended to cause injury or was carried out with an intent to kill. If there is intent to kill and the victim dies, the offense is homicide, punishable by up to the death penalty. Even if the act is not completed but there is clear intent to kill, it may constitute attempted murder, which carries a very severe penalty, potentially up to life imprisonment, even if the victim suffers no injury. This is because the law primarily focuses on the offender's intention. In contrast, if there is no intent to kill but only an intent to cause harm and the victim dies as a result, the offense is classified as negligent or non-intentional homicide, carrying a penalty of 3 to 15 years imprisonment. If only injury occurs, the offense will be treated as assault with penalties depending on the severity of the injuries. The 5 key factors used to determine intent are: first, the weapon used. For example, firearms are generally seen as indicating intent to kill, while knives or sticks require consideration of additional circumstances. Second, the part of the body targeted. Striking vital areas such as the head or torso may indicate intent to kill. Third, the degree of violence, such as repeated stabbing or excessive force. Fourth, the opportunity to choose the target. If the offender had the ability to aim but chose a lethal area, it suggests intent to kill. And fifth, the motive, such as prior anger, hostility, or premeditation, which may indicate a deliberate intention to kill rather than a spontaneous altercation. Ultimately, all determinations depend on the specific facts of each case. The court evaluates every circumstance in detail on a case-by-case basis to ensure the fairest possible outcome. Thank you for watching. If this content was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our upcoming legal content. For any legal questions or if you'd like us to cover a specific topic, feel free to leave a comment or contact us anytime.